Alright, so here's the new Hearthstone by Blizzard. It's the beta. It's an open beta, and you can get they did the open beta I think yesterday. So it's actually a pretty cool resource mechanic, and I thought I'd show you guys real quick. I'll do a better full review video as soon as I play a few more games. This is like my third game. I think I'm just in the tutorial mode right now. Okay, way where it kind of works right here, there's the mana, or the resource mechanic, the mana. And what happens, it goes up every turn. And then each time, so I only have 1 mana, so it's like when I cast things with 1. So let's put that into play. And you'll power and toughness 2-1. End turn. Animation's pretty cool.
I am not all that handy with swords or bows, but I do have many friends.
Yeah.
What?
You know, 1/1 creature in play. And I think you start the game with like 2 cards, so they got like a little, like a, what's that called? Not earthquake, but it's like an earthquake card because it does 1 damage to all minions. A tremor, I'm thinking tremor. And then I got this. I'll attack first. Oops. I want to attack first, but it's alright. So attack. So I can't attack him because someone's in the way. Sort of like, I guess, Yu-Gi-Oh? Well, I'm not sure if exactly that's how it works. But.
Even a single point of damage can mean the difference.
So I had 2 mana that turn.
My respects.
So next turn I'm going to have 3 mana. So it just keeps going up every turn. And the game's fairly fast-paced. Games are really short. So I have 3 mana, so I can choose to play one of these cards. So I'm going to play this card here. It's a battle cry, basically. And then I'll attack. Oh wait, I just learned something new. It turns out you can actually attack the person behind the creature. So apparently, I don't know. Again, this is like my 3rd game, so there is no tutorials. It's completely intuitive. It's kind of neat. I mean, it tells you that you need to attack first if you forget to attack. But it's a very intuitive game, which is kind of cool, you know, thinking about game design and whatnot. And the animation is really making it kind of fun. Yeah, and so I'll make another video later, but download the open beta. So, end turn.